Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Tigner here for another day of phonics. Boys and girls, this week we've talked about our vowels and our vowel sounds that they say. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. And we talked that we have short vowels, and when there are short vowels in words that we can hear the sound that the vowel says. We also discussed long vowels, and long vowels in a word say its name. This week we talked about short A and E vowel sounds. We also talked about long A and E vowel sounds. Today we're going to sort these words if they are short vowels sounds or if they have long vowel sounds. Let's review the short A vowel sound. When there is a short A vowel sound in a word, the A says ah. If there is a short E vowel sound, the short E says I in the word. And then the long vowels, they say its name. So long vowel A says A in the word, and the long vowel E says E in the word. So Miss Tigner is going to read these words, and then we're going to sort the words if they have long vowel sounds or short vowel sounds. Our words are cat, bake, feet, and 10. Miss Tigner is going to stretch out the words so I can really listen for that vowel sound. You can stretch out the words with me. Cat, bake, eat, in. Let's see how you would sort out these vowel sounds. Okay, Miss Tigner kind of made an anchor chart on here to sort out her vowel sounds. These words right here have short vowel sounds. Do you agree? Cat, if we stretch out, it says cat. We hear that short A vowel sound, ah. And 10, in. We hear that short E vowel sound, eh. And these words have the long vowel sounds. Bake, we hear A in the word bake. There's that long vowel sounds because long A says its name. Feet, eat. We hear that long E vowel sound. E says its name. Great job, boys and girls, sorting out your vowel sounds. I hope you have a great day.